Welcome to Citrine, the party room and lounge here in Helio at West 5. Today, we're joined by Chef Kirk, who's preparing a sweet and savory pineapple salsa. Off to you, Kirk.
Okay, hello. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Today, we're going to be doing a sweet and savory pineapple salsa. We've done a little bit of prep ahead of time, diced all our ingredients up. We've got diced pineapple, diced red onion, diced red pepper, a little bit of cilantro, our local honey from the RiverBend hives, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper to season, and some limes to zest and juice. Again, we're going to put everything into one container, make it super simple, let it rest at room temperature for a couple hours to help the flavors bloom out again. With any of these sort of salsas, there's always options at the end. You could add a little bit of spice, maybe some jalapeno peppers, some chili flakes, something like that. Anything that your taste buds really desire. It's good for everything. I put it on chicken, fish, burgers, whatever you can think of. Really refreshing, really adds a bit of a zip to your dish. And it's simple. So we'll go right ahead into it. So we have our pineapple diced already. That goes right in. Some red onion, just to give it a bit of a bite. Diced red pepper. It's really nice and colorful too. A little bit of chopped cilantro. Some of our local honey, like I said. Beautiful liquid gold. That's going to help the pineapple in its sweetness a little bit, bring that out for you. Then we'll counter that with a little bit of apple cider vinegar. That'll give the balance between the sweet and savory. A little bit of salt and pepper. Now when I'm juicing the limes, I like to first get the zest off with a little zester. It's a tool that cuts just the outside of the zest off. Just run it over top. So about half a lime's worth in here. Usually gives you enough. It's the oils that are going to come out and flavor for you. Then we'll cut that lime. Oops. Get the juice out. Squeeze that in here. That'll help the vinegar a little bit too with the acids. And then we can just give that a quick stir. Let it set at room temperature. And you're ready to present. And there you have it. Sweet and savory pineapple salsa. Ready to enjoy.
Thanks for tuning in. To learn more about the exciting and unique amenity spaces here at Helio, visit us at west5.ca.